Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make this lovely large sized oblong carpet. It's a very easy project and takes less than an hour to make. Don't forget to check the description box for the materials and the free pattern link. I am using the smallest count cross-stitch fabric to print the image. Before printing it, I will iron the freezer paper on top of the cross-stitch fabric. Place the freezer paper correctly, that means shiny side down and rough side up, then iron it without the steam. After ironing, remove any excess fabric and print. I am using an inkjet printer and I set it to the finest or the best color. Also, check that you are placing the paper correctly. In my case, the fabric should be facing down and the freezer paper facing up. Although I set it up to the finest color, it did not come as vibrant as the picture on the computer. But maybe because the color got absorbed by the fabric. But still I'm happy with it because it still looks nice and still looks like a carpet. After printing, remove the freezer paper and seal it with a transparent sealer. Then, carefully cut the excess fabric. Next, you have an option to cover the edges with any thin material. As for me, I will use this embroidery thread to wrap around the edges of the carpet. That's it guys, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for another Timeless Treasure Room Box tutorial. Bye bye and see you next time!